Hey there, this is Patricia, just making it home. And as you can see, this is the snow piled where I shoveled yesterday. And you can also see how I shoveled back onto the lawn a ways. There, take a look at that. Do I mind shoveling? No, I don't. It's about the only exercise I get outside. I gotta clean up just around the bottom where my husband just shoves snow. That's what I did last night, come out and did that, but he did it again this morning after a little bit of snow. And again over here. I shove it back. I gotta do more there. Anyway, the roof's not too bad. Enjoy your day and be blessed with what God gives you. Love you all. Bye.